Hey Realtors, going live again, finally back in Vancouver. All right, as you can see, Vancouver right behind me. Helping out my clients, touching base with them again. And today in this video, I just want to talk about why marketing is not working for you, okay? And basically the real reason why marketing doesn't work for realtors is because realtors or marketers usually see marketing as a single step. Okay, so I'll explain. All right, so if you ever ran any kind of advertising, okay, let me get in some light. If you ever ran any kind of advertising before, you probably see ads or marketing as something like this. Okay, this is how the process goes for a certain group of marketers. Okay, so first they run an ad. Okay, so let's pretend it's an ad right here, and somehow, some way, they're going to turn that ad and basically attract buyers and sellers, and somehow, some way, that ad is going to generate some leads. Okay, and in my opinion, anybody with an internet connection can generate leads online. Okay, but and after that, once you generate a lead, realtors think all they have to do is call them and a deal can magically happen. Okay, and that's just not how marketing works. Okay, that's just not how it works at all. All right, how it really works is it's actually, instead of a one-step process, it actually takes two steps. Okay, two steps in your marketing process. Okay, so it takes for you, number one, you need to generate leads, right? So like I said, anybody with an internet connection can generate leads. Now the second part is the most important part of your marketing process. This is where it helps you close deals, right? The second step of the marketing process, which is indoctrination. All right, so you're using marketing strategies, so that's videos, Facebook ads, Google ads, all kinds of ads, your marketing messages, your messaging sequences, your emails, your postcards. All these things work to help convert your lead into a real transaction. Okay, so of course people out there right now, these lead gen guys out there, are always trying to promote to you on, okay, you can generate leads for $2 a lead. And like most realtors complain, all realtors always complain to me, hey, I generated 200 leads but I closed none of it. And the reason why that happens isn't because these leads are not real, right? These leads have real phone numbers, real names, like they're basically real people behind them. But you didn't set out a new marketing process to indoctrinate these leads, which is why when you call them, they tell you, hey, I'm not really sure about making this decision to use you as my realtor. And the reason for that is because you have been seeing the marketing process as a one single step process. Okay, what you need to see marketing as it consists of two steps in the marketing process. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Again, the marketing process consists of two steps. Okay, then the first step is to generate a lead. The second step is to indoctrinate your customers so they can eventually know you, like you, and trust you. So when they are in the market for real estate, they are only going to contact you. All right, so that's how it works, and I'll give you perfect examples. All right, so basically, when it comes to getting rid of junk, right, the first thing I think of is 1-800-GOT-JUNK. Okay, I have never used this service before, but the day that I have to get rid of, my old refrigerator or a large size junk, I'm going to call this number, 1-800-GOT-JUNK, because they have always been indoctrinating me about their services. Okay, same thing goes with any other great marketing campaigns you've seen, whether on TV, on social media, anywhere. Okay, it's like Geico, right? 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance. right? I don't even know why I remember that, but it was probably because I watched too many basketball games, and they're always advertising during the games. So again, you have to think of your marketing process as a two-step process. First is to generate a lead. Second is to help you basically indoctrinate your customers, so when they can know you, like you, and trust you, and when they are finally in the market for real estate, you are the only person they think of. Okay, and that's the key to understand here. Okay, you have to do this in order for your marketing to work. Okay, if you just run ads to generate leads, of course you're not going to close any deals. Okay, but chances are you might still, but it's going to be very, very rare. All right, so if you want to know exactly how you can indoctrinate your customers and close more deals as a result of it, make sure you click the link below or go to .comagentsclass.com. It is a 100% free webinar where I share with you on how exactly you can market to the people who are in the position to buy or sell real estate. Okay, again, go to .comagentsclass.com or click the link below and watch this webinar. Okay, it's 100% free, and it's going to show you how I help my private client realtors to close more deals and their next deal. Okay, any deal. All right, so again, click the link below and join this free webinar, and I'll see you guys in the class.